Hey people, so as of yesterday, I was just watching this whole this season of season one of the 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 Real Housewives of Beverly Hills. Now, people like when you watch a series like reality TV, it's like you are understanding human nature. It's what are the reasons that people get annoyed? Why are there's so much about human psychology one can understand just by watching a show like this. So really people, this is on Netflix. It's called there are the Real Housewives of Atlanta, the Real Housewives of New York, and then Real Housewives of Beverly Hills. And I watched a little of one episode each of Atlanta and New York, but then I realized Beverly Hills is, maybe it's the glitz and glamour or something, but at the end of the day, it's all human stories. So really interesting people. So try and watch it, because such things will help you learn about human psychology, and if you understand human psychology, a lot in life becomes easier to deal with. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.